H3 Music.
Alright, what's going on, guys? This is Luis. I'm bringing you guys a different video today. Today, I'm going to show you guys how you can turn your straight hair like mine, super straight hair, into curly hair in less than a day, less than 24 hours. No heat, no anything. This is what you need.
So if you want some nice curls and you got straight hair, it's going to be a little difficult but not that hard. First, what you need is you need some water. You need some little black rubber band ties. You can get these at the dollar store. Like, these ones are like the thinner ones. But if you go to Walmart, you can get like 250 for like $1 and they're thicker. Then you need a comb, and then I use some of these hair products. I don't do this with my hair, but this is just a curly hair product. You got the leave-in moisturizer, curling cream, and then like you can use the Cantu comeback curl. This is just like a spray, and these two are more like lotions for your hair and like to keep them like shiny and like hydrated.
I've kind of been thinking about doing this for kind of a little bit now. I don't know why I have or why I haven't done it. I just got back to the dorm and we might as well do it. I took a shower, my hair's straight. I don't know what to do with it, so we're just gonna get this rolling.
So step one, first get a spray bottle, just put normal water in there. First, you want to get your hair wet. And like, you don't want to get it like soaking wet, but you want to get it pretty wet. When you put it in the bantu knots, it's allowing it to dry, and when it dries in that form. So you just want to come straight out the shower with no product in your hair. You can look like Squilliam for a second.
Does this work with thick hair or with thin hair?
It works with all types of hair.
All types of hair.
Unless you do have like curlier hair than the bantu knots, like then it obviously won't work. Like, it just depends on your curl pattern. So what you want to do is you want to divide it up into, I like to do into 4 sections. That way you can like tie each knot up and like the hair goes evenly. As you can see, I did one in the middle and then one going horizontally this way.
Bro, he looks like that one movie character.
Cool.
Let me pull his stupid ass up. Three Stooges.
Oh, he said Three Stooges.
So then what you want to do is grab one of the rubber bands and grab a section off. So just grab about like that much, and you just want to take it and twist it down to the root. Twist it and then put it into a little ball. Spin it around a few times. Get the rubber band tight on there, and then like that.
Alright, just to speed up this process, because this is going to take a little bit of time, I'm going to show you guys the process at the end of this. But basically, do whatever he just did right here and do it all over your head in all different sections. And I'll show you guys what it looks like in a second.
H3 Music.
So now that these are all done and they're all set in place, I'm just going to take some Cantu, the comeback curl, and I'm just going to spray it in there to see, like, to have it kind of stick more a little bit.
Damn, that shit went in my ear. Okay, so now that we got these all up in my hair, hopefully by the morning that these guys can do something amazing, magical.
You look like a crackhead.
I know.
Alright, so one more thing. In order for these to probably stay in, actually like not get detangled or anything, get yourself like a bonnet. These are like at the dollar store. It's just this plain simple black one. And then
Look at girl.
and then just put that on. And boom.
Boom. Now you sleep on your feet. Alright, so now that we got this all situated and the hair is in the bonnet, I'm gonna take my ass to bed and we're gonna see how the hair looks tomorrow morning. Alright guys, it's the morning. Let's see how the curls turned out. I think they look pretty good. Alright, for real though, I just woke up. It's the morning. Not the morning, it's the afternoon. And we're gonna see how the hair looks. It's gonna look the same as last night. So we got some little things that did it actually?
Yeah.
Yes sir.
Now we gotta remove all these rubber bands.
Alright, so now that your hair looks like this and you guys took out all the little rubber bands, the next step that you guys are going to have to do, you don't have to do, but I recommend doing, is grab one of your products, grab a hair product, a curling product, something like that. Today I'm using Cantu. But today I'm using Cantu and I'm going to put this in my hair. What you're going to do with your product is when you're putting the product through your hair, you're going to like detangle and kind of style it as you please and get the curls going whichever way you like.
Put it on your palm. Rub it in, and then just kind of. It looks weird.
It looks weird
because it's like I've never seen you with hair like this. Like, I can't imagine what the front ear looks like.
Oh my dude.
H3 Music.
Bro, the hair is so curly. Wow. So now that we put the product in, the hair looks crazy. I look like a whole different person. But as you guys can see, my hair is curly as hell, so this works. If you guys enjoyed this type of video, make sure to leave a big thumbs up down below. Make sure to leave a comment of any video suggestions that you guys want to see in the future. Make sure to hit that subscribe button because you guys know I'm giving away $100 at 500 subscribers as well as 1,000 subscribers. So make sure to be one of those 1,000 to get $100. So just subscribe. Do yourself a favor, do myself a favor. And I'll see y'all next time. Peace out.